So kids, today learn alphabet A, B, C, D, E. A sky blue color. A. A for apple. Red color. B. B for butterfly. Yellow color. C. C for cat. Orange color. D. D for doll. Black color. E. E for elephant. Light green color. F. F for flower. Sky blue color. Z. Z for grape. Red color. Ace. Ace for honey. Yellow color. I. I for ice cream. Orange color. J. J for joker. Black color. K. K for kite. Light green color. L. L for lion. Sky blue color. M. M for monkey. Red color. N. N for nut. N for nut. Yellow color. O. O for orange. Orange color. P. P for pineapple. Black color. Q. Q for queen. Light green color. R. R for rose. Sky blue color. S. S for sun. Red color. T. T for tiger. Yellow color. U. U for umbrella. Orange color. V. V for vase. Black color. W. W for watermelon. Light green color. X. X for xylophone. Sky blue color. Y. Y for yolk. Red color. Z. Z for zoo.